Google TV streamer, 4K apps like Disney Plus, HBO Max, Hulu, or maybe the other app keep crashing, freezing, or getting stuck on a loading screen after the latest update. The Fixes 9 team has you covered to fix Google TV streamer app not working and get your streaming back on track. So before doing anything else, you just have to power cycle your streamer. Just unplug all cables and keep it aside for a minute. Then plug it back in. This will refresh the system and fix any minor software glitch. Most often, it fixes the issue. And then you just have to ensure all apps are up to date on your streamer. Otherwise, it can cause app crashes and other issues. So just go to the quick settings from the top menu, open settings, select apps, and then select manage available updates. Then go to see available update and select update all the apps. If you are facing issues only with certain apps, you can force stop the app and restart it again. Open settings from the control panel, select apps, select see all apps, then go to crashing apps, and then you just have to force stop. Then reopen the app, and it often fixes the issue most of the time. If it doesn't, and then you just have to head over to the same app menu and choose clear cache followed by clear data. Keep in mind, clearing data might require you to log back into the app. Then ensure you have sufficient free storage on your streamer. As it can cause app problem, go to quick settings on the top menu, select settings, head to the system, then click storage and check how much internal storage you have. If it's running low, just delete unused apps to free up storage. And then you just have to make sure your system software is up to date on your Google TV streamer. Sometimes pending updates can. So for that, you just have to go to settings again, then system, and from about, check any system update available. If you see a pending update, just update it right now. If nothing else works, try uninstalling, then reinstalling the particular app. So after trying all of this process, hopefully one of those fix your problem. So let me know which one worked for you. Thanks for your time.